Hello viewers, welcome to Jesse's Sweet Kitchen. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to make Italian and African dish with style. So please subscribe and share this video and give it a like and press the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. So viewers, let's get started. Episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious ogbono soup. So guys, come with me and let me show you step by step. It's very easy to make. And I will be taking you through my ingredients. So here is my ogbono seed that I've already blended, and this is the way it look like when you have not blended it. So I have already blended my own with some crayfish. So let's set that aside. As you can see, it's very smooth. So here is my crayfish powder and my extra shrimp powder that I will be using for extra flavor, my mixed spices that I will be using to boil the meat, my chili pepper, my seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Here I will be adding my okra to the ogbono soup. So I have already washed and dyed my okra, you can see. In this part I have my palm oil. Here I have my protein that I will be using, 2 cloves of garlic and ginger and half onions. My intestine, and cow skin that I will be using. I have my goat skin for extra flavor. I have my cow meat that I will be adding to it. In this part I have my smoked fish, my smoked mackerel that I make myself, my smoked catfish, and smoked turkey that I will be adding for extra flavor. First of all, you have to bring your meat to a boil, add your meat to the pot, and add your seasoning and your salt and mixed spices. Blend your ginger, garlic, and onions together and add everything. Add water, enough water so that it will cook very well, and bring it to a boil and allow it to get soft. After the meat have cooked, add your oil to your blended ogbono, put it on top of the pot and allow it to cook for 2 minutes and stir it very well, and add it to your liquid, and add your seasoning and your salt. Add a little bit of water if water is needed. Debone your fish and keep it aside. Add your okra to your soup and stir it very well before adding your fish and your smoked turkey to it, and allow it to cook for at least additional 10 minutes. Add salt if salt is needed, and add water if water is needed. After 10 minutes, stir it together. As you can see, my soup is ready. Very, very delicious, guys. So I will be eating my own with agidi. I will not be eating it with swallow. So as you can see how beautiful it is. So this is the agidi I will be using. Very soon I will be uploading a video showing you how I make this my agidi with cornstarch ferment. Very soon I will upload a video. So as you can see, my agidi is very beautiful. I will be eating it just like grandma used to eat it. So I am a grandmother daughter, so I will be eating it like grandma used to taught me how to eat it. So guys, come and join me, and thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Share it to your friends and your family, and give it a like, and press all bell notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you very much, and God bless you. See you next time, and bye bye.